some of the booty from the market the other day, including these absolutely delicious things. These are pretty amazing. This is all we got left. I forgot to film. I've got 3 big boxes, and between my son, my wife and I, we've eaten a lot. Look at left. Not as sweet as you might imagine either. Now I'm gonna have this. Fantastic. It's like, almost like a cheesecake sweet. Most of them are made from milk. If you get a try, if you get a chance, head down to Little India and get yourself some Punjabi sweets. Happy days.
This is the famous Pahurat Road, aka Little India, aka Little Punjab. This is it. This street here, a couple of alleys off that way, the alleyway behind there, the cloth market, Pahurat Market, and half of the canal over there. And that's it.
And around about 1880, after Rama V, King Rama V, had been on a state visit to India, upon his return he decided to open up international trade to Indians, among others, to come to Bangkok. Now, in about 1880, he invited a number of Sikh patrolmen over from modern-day Punjab and what is now over the border in Pakistan. They became Bangkok's first policemen. Anyway, traders came, followed by more traders, and they settled in an area called Ban Mo, this area here around Pahurat Road. It was originally an area for Vietnamese people, but there was an incident involving a prince of Vietnam, and Rama III, the king at the time, banished this prince and I think all the Vietnamese from the area. So there was a temple, the Green Dragon Temple, just up the road, which was abandoned for about 80 or 90 years. Anyway, the Sikhs came, they established a cloth market, started trading in textiles, and the area just... 1912, the first Sikh temple, the first Gurdwara, was built. Now, due to increased demand in 1979, a new one was built. It's actually the second largest outside India. I think the biggest is in the UK, in London. This is called Gurdwara Sri Guru Singh Sabna. It's a lovely place. Unfortunately, we can't enter today, but we will visit soon.
It's mad to think just on the other side of these buildings is India Emporium and Pahurat Cloth Market. I mean, you see how quiet it is down here. It's incredible. I just thought I'm just about to go and meet my friends, but I thought I'd just quickly come up here and show you a famous Alex face piece. This is just around the edge of the famous Pahurat cloth market, Punjabi market if you like. Got a real feeling of India. Punjab sweets. Oh. That looks delicious. He's my favourite deity or favourite god anywhere in the world. Mr. Shiva. Bolinar Bum Shiva. Bum Jesus, as my mate used to always say in India. There's his third eye. There's Ganesh. Wow. Hello. Another sweet place, not finished making yet. Look, another one here. Wow. All sorts of products going on in there. I love the smells as well. There's nothing like the smell of Indian spices, really. Right, let's have a butcher's then. Hanuman, Ganesh. So many sweet shops everywhere. Look. Whoa. Well, let's try and see some of this before the heavens open and it starts raining. Cats and dogs. That's what I love about an Indian style market as well, is the smells. So good. Hello. Thank you very well. Everything smells good. Buddy cop. Love an alleyway, so let's see there. Well, down there, let's go down here. Oh. Lots of little Indian snacks. Oh, it's like the eating part. It's always good. Anyway, let's have a look on Pahurat Road. So this is a road, I think, full of cloth, and you see a lot of the staff in there. You'll see that they're Thai, but actually nearly all the owners are of Indian descent or Punjabi descent, Sikhs. Again, we'll go and check that out at some point. That's the old Siam shopping plaza. Rather unique place, and you can actually stay on the top floor there. But perhaps we'll do that one day soon. Yeah, some of these shops will stretch right back into the market behind, but this one's a bit more of a fancy shop, look. Yeah, but from Little India, if you're expecting sort of blaring Bhangra music and that kind of thing, then you're going to be sorely disappointed. There is another area in Bangkok that was originally adopted by the Indian community, but the Hindus. Not too far away, I'll take you there as well. All the colours of the rainbow. Like I said, Little India's just sort of stuck right on the edge of Chinatown, and right on the edge of Chinatown we have places like that. Look, China World. We should compare China World with Pahurat Market. I've just seen some escalators going down an alleyway. Let's try that. No idea what's going on here. Not sure if these have worked for 20 years, but I don't know. Okay. And I think this is the proper area. Let's get lost. Let's see if I can get a view down here. Yeah, I'm going. Look at this. Wow. That's India Emporium back there. Tucked away here is a beautiful old house. I'd love to know the story of that. Some old trader or someone used to have that house and would have enjoyed this terrace here, and especially this terrace up here. I'll look on the map and try and find out, see if anyone's living there. It looks quite remarkable though. Anyway, let's continue up and see. No idea where we are. I'm in the hood. Yeah, I'm actually in the hood. Beers on the stairway. It's just a block of flats above the road, I think. Quite bizarre. And it's where people come to drink and do whatever else, look. Which is alright. That's what I'm saying, when you're exploring and you see a doorway or an alleyway, just go down it. Don't think, should I go down there? Just go down. More often than not, people don't mind. Because usually if people do mind and they say, excuse me, you can't go down there, you just say, sorry, I'm a foreigner, I've got no idea. It just started raining and the roof is leaking. Wow, she's had that stock in there for a few decades. This is the end where nobody goes, look. Nice area down there, look. But try some interesting. Somebody used to sit there at that desk and work. Maybe men TVs or something before they probably passed away. Bloody car. Oh, bit of Daniela Westbrook there, look. Bit of Burberry. Stylish. Is anyone from Huntingdon watching this? get right on that. Just goes on. Hang on, he's standing there looking hard with his arms crossed, so we'll go there, eh? Hello. You look very friendly. No idea what's down here, but there's a sign saying let's go somewhere. Look. It's the forgotten about spots in the back of the market. Look. This is probably where all the variants are lurking. All the variants of the lurking ready to jump, aren't they, mate? Oh, that goes back down to the main road down there. Car.ครับเอาสติ๊กเกอร์นะครับผมนี่นะสีครับเท่าไรครับ
คู่หนึ่ง20 บาท
20เนาะ20โอเคเอาสีครับ
เอากี่อันคะ
ครับผม
2 อัน
ครับผม
20 บาท
โอเคสติ๊กเกอร์why not Very good, thank you, sir. Oh, that I like a lot. Wow. Some old Punjabi movies, look.
Look, there is another slightly older, if anything more prominent, more noticeable Indian area, and that's located just off Ceylon Road. That's actually a southern Indian Hindu area, a Tamil area. I will do another video on the Hindu side of things. It's really quite interesting and goes back to about the 3rd century. We'll talk a little bit about Brahmins, the connection with the royal family, the religion here, the rituals, the giant swing, and that sort of thing. But obviously today was about the Sikh area, the Punjab area. I do very much hope you've enjoyed today's video. I've, rather than just a brief look, I've taken you all around the area of Little India into the far extremities of the market, shall we say. We've been overground, underground, wandering free. The wanderers of Pahurat Road are we. So if you did enjoy that video, as usual, please subscribe, please like, leave a comment down below, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Ta-da!